I'm Professor Dr. Usman Ghani. I'm Director Institute of Management Sciences, Peshawar. IM Sciences is a government-owned higher education institute. We mostly offer programs in three areas, that is information technology, management science, and social sciences. Our students actively participate in different activities in addition to the academics. We have 13 clubs and societies. One of our societies amongst these is also working on IT-related activities. We have been working with Ignite for the last 3 years, and every year they conduct different activities related to cybersecurity, because cybersecurity has become an important area in the current scenario. And Ignite has been working with different universities, including IM Sciences. Now this year again, they have started with the trainings of the different individuals from different parts of the province. After these trainings, they are going to have a hackathon on cybersecurity, and I think it is an important step and a very great initiative by the Ignite, where they are providing a platform for the students to show their skills, and we believe that this is going to be a great contribution in cybersecurity by Ignite.